Okay, guys. So what I'm getting ready to show you guys right now is pretty much how. Hey guys, okay, so what I'm getting ready to show you guys pretty much is how to basically use my t-shirt design templates. So I'm going to show you a few samples on how to use them. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to open up here. And as you guys see, I have different templates for you. Now, some of you guys may be thinking, okay, how is this going to benefit us? And how is this going to work if they're all the same design? Pretty much, because you don't want to have to sit up here and pretty much design something and sell it, and you're selling the same design as the next person is. Because otherwise, that really wouldn't be no benefit for you or your business, now would it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys step by step how you go in here and how you pretty much use my design that I make for my t-shirts. And what you're going to do is when you use the designs that I make for the t-shirts, you're going to take the design, but you're going to flip it and you're going to basically make it into your own design. So what I'm getting ready to show you guys, I'm sorry guys, because I'm on Bigo as I'm doing this. Oh, Chucky's on here. I'm going to show you guys how you can pretty much, I'm trying to figure out how to flip this thing. How do I flip it? Oh, there we go. How you pretty much can change the design and make it into your own. So right here, and you guys on Beagle, what I'm doing right now is I'm literally sitting up here and I am creating, as I'm doing this, I'm creating basically a tutorial. So what I'm going to do is, this is a t-shirt design, right? Hold on, let's sit there right there. Oh, there you go. Can y'all see? Okay. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take this and I'm going to change basically the background of it. I want to change it to pink. You can change the colors to whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna keep it right there. Now, if you're a pro at designing like me when you're doing a t-shirt design, I'm going to take this and I want to double click it, but I want to add something inside of his eyes. So I'm going to click right there on the patterns, make it normal. Add a little something right there. You can even go as far as, let's create another layer and we can add like some highlights to it. Like, it's so many things that you guys can do inside this package, basically. Let me create this right here. So the goal is when you make these, you want to basically take the design and you want to make it into your own style. You don't want it to look exactly like what I had pretty much put up there. So I'm just showing you guys a few cool ways that you and things that you can do to make it look a little bit different. You could take this right here, the brush tool, make it a little smaller. And you can, let's say you want to add an earring to it. Hold on, let me go back here. Of course you can follow me. My Instagram is CTD. It's the same thing as my name on here. Yeah, my Instagram is the same thing as my name on here. Ctdgraphicx. So let's say for instance, I want to go here and I want to add an earring. So I'll make this black. I'm gonna make the brush a little smaller at 12. And I'm gonna go right here and just add that. Now, let me cut this off real quick because it's gonna look like, okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go to gold, click on that, make that gold. Go here, make a new layer underneath. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Make sure y'all tune in tomorrow when I go live on here. Follow me right now, be a fan or whatnot. This is new to me, this Bigo thing. A little shy doing it, but hey, you know. Okay, that's not gonna work. I did something actually backwards. It's cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually just go and click undo. Cause sometimes, you know, you mess up, we ain't perfect. Just click undo. Now what I did wrong was I actually started designing right here on this layer. So I'm just gonna make another layer. Yes, this is Photoshop. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to make this black. I'll bring this up here above this actually. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here, make a new layer. Just click there, make that color there. Bam, they got an earring on there. And inside this package, you will also be able to put them on markups. Now what I'm going to show y'all is real cool how to create a markup. Where my t-shirt template at? And that's not the one. Where is that t-shirt markups? Where the hell that damn thing at? It's a t-shirt markup that I want to show y'all real quickly. Okay, well I guess God may be telling me that I'm showing y'all too much. What is it? How do I flip this again? Let's flip it back. Yeah, this is like so fun, just sitting up here doing this. And I don't even know like how to work everything on here. So listen guys, I see y'all giving me hearts, but what y'all really, I want y'all to give me is those little bing things. Those bing things right there in that corner, especially starting after tomorrow. You give me the little bing thingies. Those are the things that I guess really count from what I'm noticing. But yeah, I'm finna get off of here now. I just want to get on here for a hot second. This is like really cool though. Oh no, wait a minute, what did I do? How do I go back? I can't get. Oh, there we go. How do you see? You ever have it when a certain person you know is watching, you get like really nervous? That's how I be. All right, let me get up off of here. But no, for real, I love you too. It's new to Bigo Live. Welcome him in her corner again. Oh, she's new here. Let's see. All right. right. Welcome newcomer regular extra. So listen, y'all tune in tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'm gonna be going live on here and I'm gonna be giving away some free stuff. And I want y'all, especially if you females, to make sure you have your hair done because I want some of y'all to go live with me as well. So make sure you have your hair and stuff done and your makeup and stuff done. All right. I already see 3 females right now that I'm actually going to pull up on here with me. With that said and done, it's going to take me a minute to learn this platform. It's taking me a minute to learn it too. But you know what though? I think I'm getting the hang of certain stuff of it. All I know is there's money on here. And I want to make the money. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I mean. It's about getting that check. So, period. Make sure that you guys, if you're in here right now, there's 98 people in here right now. I need y'all to be following me. Go follow me right now. I'm going to follow everybody back, but you need to follow me in order for me to follow you back. Other than that, I can't wait. Me too. I'm going to bring as many people in here. I'm going to get off of here now because I got to make a text or a call. So as I
My name is Russ. 4,000 now.